Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to use transformations to sketch the graph of the function y is equal to x minus 2 cubed. So we're starting with transformations because we know the graph of y equals x cubed, right? Looks a little bit like this. And we are going to apply transformations to it. In this case, it's only one transformation. This subtraction of 2. So subtraction means we're shifting. It's being done within the cube, it's not outside, so it's horizontal. And it's subtraction, which means it's to the right. So we're horizontally shifting to the right 2 units. So some important points, 1, 1 gets moved to 3, 1. Negative 1, negative 1 gets moved to 1, negative 1. And 0, 0 gets moved to 0, 2. And it still follows the same rough shape, just 2 units to the left. So this is the graph of y equals x cubed, and this is the graph of y equals x minus 2 cubed.